How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Gempages. So Gempages is a plugin or tool meant for Shopify to help you guys make an attractive store page or storefront for your Shopify store or website. So the integration is quite simple and seamless. And in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through the key features as well as the fundamentals and how to install it, how to integrate, and how to use Gempages for Shopify. So with all of that said, let's begin. So right before we get into the topic, I just want to give you guys a quick overview on what exactly Gempages is. So apart from what I already said at the start of this video about it being a website builder or a page builder for your store, it's actually much more than that. So the idea of Gempages is to basically give your store social credibility and expand your online presence. So what this means is more conversions, your audience growing, your business growing, and more potential buyers along the way. So what this does is it creates uh, a, st- stunning visuals for your page and basically enhancing user experience. So in a nutshell, Gempages is not just another page builder. It's a really good platform that empowers Shopify store owners to unleash their creativity and design beautiful conversion optimized pages without any coding knowledge. So right off the bat, the cool thing about it is if you guys are not a very tech savvy person, then this app is just for you, as the overall interface and design is all intuitive and it's operated by the simple click and drag and drop actions that you would take when designing your pages. So if you guys have used anything like Squarespace before, like when you go to design your website, then you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So all of the functions are built in without you having to have any coding knowledge to actually do so. So imagine this. You guys have a Shopify store and you're selling, let's say, for example, fashion accessories. And you want to create a really good, captivating landing page for your latest product's launch. So with Gempages, you can easily design a stunning page from scratch using the drag and drop editor. So simply choose from a wide range of pre-designed elements, including text blocks, images, videos, and so much more. And from here, you have the added flexibility to customize them to fit your brand aesthetic. So if you guys are worried about any technical integrations or compatibility, then you shouldn't worry because Gempages was actually made for Shopify. Here you can create and publish custom pages directly from your Shopify dashboard, and you can say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with multiple platforms and use the convenience of a centralized website management tool. So, with that in mind, let's talk about the versatility of Gempages. So, whether you guys are creating a page or a landing page or a blog post or even a checkout page for your store, Gempages offers a wide range of professionally designed templates and customizable elements to suit your needs. So with Gempages, the possibilities are pretty much endless. But just don't take my word for it. A couple of testimonials online, if you go check Gempages' website, have said that the built-in drag and drop editor really makes it incredibly easy to create really nice pages that resonate with your audience. With Gempages, you guys are able to fine tailor and tweak the layout of your website's design, as well as adjusting the colors, adding new elements, and basically creating a nice landing page for any visitor. So with this, you're able to elevate your Shopify store and turn clicks into conversions. So with all of that in mind, let's actually talk about how to install Gempages for Shopify. So the first thing that you guys need to do is you need to log into your Shopify account as an administrator and you want to go to the store manager. So it's this one right here. This is what the dashboard looks like. And the URL goes admin.shopify.com. So from here, there are actually two ways to access the App Store. And the first way is the easy way is actually just clicking on the search bar and just typing Shopify store like so. And it's this one right here. Or you guys can click on the drop down apps, click on apps and sales channel settings, and this should take you to the list of all of your installed apps for Shopify. So from here, you want to click on Shopify App Store, And this will redirect you to a page where you're able to download all of the compatible apps and tools for Shopify. So because we're looking for gelato, oh, not gelato, Gempages, sorry. We can type on the search bar, Gempages, just like that. And here, even the description goes landing page builder. So it's this first one right here. So to simply install it, you want to click on it like so, and this should take you to their store page. And the thing about Shopify apps is that a lot of them come for free, but others also come with paid plans. Now it goes without saying that the paid plans are going to come with more features, all the bells and whistles that you'll need to actually use their features and services. But for the purpose of this video, let's just go with the free plan. So it's this one right here. And you can see here that the features show that for the page types, you can get an About Us page, blog posts, a collection of your products, contact pages, FAQs, home pages, so on and so forth, legal pages. And yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, to install it, simply click on install. And what we're basically, what's essentially happening here is we're authorizing Gempages to integrate with our Shopify store. So we're just going to wait for it to load, let Shopify work its magic, and wait. So sometimes this may actually redirect you to the corresponding apps or tools website to sign up for an account, but most times you don't need to. So in this case, you don't need to. So here it is. Here's what the dashboard looks like. So let's actually get to creating a new page. So let's create a new page from scratch, just like that. And here you can see that Gempages comes with a bunch of built-in presets or templates for you to use. So if you want to go with a theme, you can definitely do so, or you can start from scratch. So in my case, let's say that I'm looking to boost the sales for my tech products, then I could go for this one because it says Cyber Monday. And here's a little preview of what it looks like on the desktop. Here's what it looked like on a tablet and mobile. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So here's the home page. That's pretty cool. So we're simply going to select it like so. Wait for it to apply. And here you can manually configure what you want, what elements you want to add to the home page. So just to give you guys a little preview of what it looks like. So here it is. It'll redirect you to their builder page. And here you can manually add elements or move them, resize them, and so on and so forth. So yeah, there you guys go. That's how you can use and install Gempages to Shopify. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.